Hello traders, welcome to today's video. This I guess is part 1.1 of the Exo Charts Desktop Pro series. In part 1 I did explain the basic functionality of Exo Charts and how to create workspaces in order to get a really nice trading environment. Now what I didn't mention on that is how basically to import the templates that I had featured within that video and how to just get them from wherever they are, whether you have them on Exo Charts web or whether you've downloaded them from our Discord server. How to get those imported into Exo Charts and to be able to start using them. So we're just going to very briefly explain that in today's video. So as always, please do hit the like button, hit subscribe, and yeah, let's get straight into it. If you are already an Exo Charts web user and you do have templates saved on there that you would like to get into the desktop version, that's very simple to do. Okay, so if you do already have an account, of course, and you have these templates here, if you do click on the TPL button on the left hand side there, and you look at all your templates here, it's very simple and easy to get those into desktop. Now there are a couple of things that you do need to note. So first of all, because Exo Charts desktop is currently Bybit only, if you do have any templates on there, for example this one here, which is Binance Futures, that won't load if you do put it onto desktop. So please make sure that you're changing everything to the Bybit exchange, and that is where you'll be able to get these templates uploaded into your Exo Charts Pro. Now there's actually nothing that you need to do within web itself. Okay, there is a process that I'll just show you in just a second of how you can just import all of these directly into Exo Charts, provided that they are on the Bybit exchange, without having to do anything on the web browser. The main part of this video though is how we get the templates that you do see here. If you do not already have Exo Charts web, how you can get these templates that are the public, the publicly available templates from Taurus Crypto directly into Exo Charts Pro. So step one, okay, please do visit tauruscrypto.com. Okay, and there are two ways in which you can get these. So first of all, you will need to join our Discord server. So you can either click the button up here, the little smiley face Discord button here, which will take you directly to our Discord server. Or if you do scroll down, then our free Discord community is here. Just very simply click connect, and that will take you directly through to our Discord, where you will find this page. Now, obviously it will start you off on a different page, but then you'll need to navigate to trading help. Okay, so once you are into our Discord server, click on trading help and you'll see there is a pinned post. So these are the 4 currently publicly available templates. Okay, so download them all. Then, and you've downloaded obviously the Exo Charts software, then you just need to load up Exo Charts. So once Exo Charts is open, you should be taken to a screen that looks exactly like this. If you already do have a workspace saved and you would like to create a new one, just click on workspaces, create new workspace, and click OK, and it will take you of course back to that page. Now what we're just going to show you here is the 3 chart templates and the 1 DOM template that is available for public on our Discord server to get you started with this. So first of all, let's click on chart and let's load some of these in. So you'll see here after you click on chart, please select instrument or template. Click on the folder tab. You won't have, of course, that there. And let me just delete this new folder. But what you'll need to do is just click here, create new folder. Once you've created the new folder, go to import file. If you click on the folder and then import file, and that will take you through to your thing, your files. Okay, so once you've got those in, you can then import these files directly into Exo. So let's just open up the Taurus Bid Ask Tracker. You can import that file. Then of course, if you do go back onto here, click at it again, then we can go into the TPO desktop, and then we'll do the final one, click on this again, and we'll go to the volume profiles. Now if you do try loading the DOM, which isn't actually on here because it's not an ETP, but if you were to try doing a DOM, it wouldn't actually work on here, but it shouldn't let you anyway. So this will only load the chart types, the .etps. They'll be the ones that will show up for you. Okay, so now that those are in there, it's very easy. You just click load full and that will load the template for you. Again, if you want to add a new tab, then you can go back over here, click on chart, click on your folders. You should already have these here. Let's remove that one. Let's load up the TPO. Okay, and then finally, let's go back onto here. Let's click chart. Let's click on the folder. Again, you won't see those, you'll see these, and then you click your NPCs, and then you have the 3 different types of charts that we've made available. So you can split those however you want. Okay, so let's just split it into that, that, and that, for example, right now. Okay, so that sets you up with a basic workspace. Now, if you want to upload the DOM as well, then again, it's the same process. So you click on your plus button to add your tab. Then you'll go on to DOM. You'll go over onto the folder here. And then what you'll do, of course, create new folder if you need to. Whoops, I created 2. Let's just go onto this one, import file, Exo desktop templates here, and then you have an ETP DOM. So this is why we couldn't see it previously, because they're different file extensions. So the ETP DOM is what you'll need. This is the Taurus simple DOM. You can open that. Of course, once that's in, you can click load full and that loads this. And then usually I have this all the way over on the right hand side, and there you have it. Okay, so you can create a very simple, nice, clean looking workspace just from these 4 templates that we have made for you. Now, the way, if you do have, of course, any, if you have already been using Exo Charts web, and you need to be, or you want to be able to import your sessions from web into desktop, then that again is a very, very simple process. So just click on, let's do it as a new tab once more, just before I mess all of this up. So let's just extend this out. Let's click on chart. And then if you do want to import direct from the web, again, you can see here, import from web. Now that will be, as long as you are logged in, this will just automatically load all of your charts that you use from web, and you can basically click any of the ones that you want to import. So if you want to import this daily TPO, just click import. If you have overwritten anything, so if you have anything that's old and you've saved a new version on here, so let's say you've already imported a web template and then you've made some changes on web and you want to import it again, you can just click import new and that will overwrite the existing one. But very, very simply, okay, you can go onto here, we can click Taurus TPO sessions, we can import that, you can see it's done, and then that will give you this folder here. And then what can you do? You load it up and there is your sessions template. Now again, what I was saying, if any of these don't load, it will be due to the fact that the way that sessions are calculated in desktop is slightly different. So sometimes you may have issues with loading certain file types, and of course do make sure that you are using the Bybit exchange. So make sure you're using one of these contracts or BitMEX, of course. But if you're using something like FTX or Binance, you will need to go back onto web, save your chart, and make sure it's saved in as the Bybit chart. Okay, not Binance or FTX. I think that's everything else that I needed to explain in these. So, of course, in the next parts of these videos, we are going to be going over what each of these charts are and how you can use them. And we're also going to be doing our first set of giveaways for this. But for this video, this was just something that was requested that I hadn't gone over in part 1. So, yeah, thank you very much for watching. I will wrap it up there, so we don't need to do anything more. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers. Bye.